My name is Stephanie and I'm with Nexus. I'm the dispatch coordinator. Working at Nexus has been a breath of fresh air. I love my manager, Dustin. I love our CEO, Earl. Like, if you know Earl, you know he's a super genuine person, and it just shows and reflects in his company how genuine he is. I've never been treated the way that I am here at Nexus before in any other job, and we're constantly doing a lot of new things all the time, like silicone slopes, which is really cool. And Earl is also always just encouraging us to do and try new things. And he will even have us do like women in tech or women in business, and he'll buy us our tickets to go to that, because there's only like 2 other girls in the office besides me, but I don't really care about that. Everyone is just like a big family, so it doesn't really, I don't know, it doesn't feel weird working with guys or working in tech. It's just a lot of fun, and it's been a great experience working with Nexus.